feel it is a modern day take on a family. Because we have an idea of a family कि family हमेशा हंस के खाना खाते हैं.
Ask Alia to say a few
Yes.
words.
Alia, about your association with Filmfare, please.
No, as Jitesh said, Filmfare is like family to me. I feel very close, and I've said this time and again in every cover shoot that we're in a long-term relationship. So I hope that continues, and I hope Filmfare always thinks I'm as amazing as he does. And yeah, I mean, it's almost like mandatory to do a Filmfare cover at least once a year. Whether my film is releasing or it's not releasing, I have to do a cover for Filmfare, and it's always beautiful when the film is releasing because it's something to do with the film. And for the first time, I'm posing with Fawad on a cover. So that's also a first. So I like first because they're always very interesting and they're always very exciting. And this one is one of my favorite covers because we tried something different. We went to a completely weird, strange location just to get this Filmfare shoot, so I really hope it's worth it.
Fawad, maybe kindly request you to say a few words about your association with Filmfare. How was your experience?
My association with Filmfare is because of a lot of favoritism that I have from from Mr. Pillai and the rest of the team as well. And they've been very kind always. I'm really thankful to Filmfare. I got my first award here in India from Filmfare as well, and did a cover for the most prestigious publication, then did another one, and this is my third one, and it just gets better and better and better. So thank you for making me your favorite cookie.
Thank you. This is not your first time coming to Reliance Digital, and I'm sure your experience has always been great. So what do you think of the store?
This is the Juhu store I've come to. Last time we were at the other store. I like it because it's cool. You walk in and you see your trailer running on all the TVs. So अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि you see a lot of yourself. So it's a nice location to at least do something related to your films.
Thank you. Fawad?
Well, I'll only say good things about Reliance Digital if they gift me something on the way out, and not a fridge or a washing machine, or something that's cooler than that. No, it's a cool store. Looks like a nice place. I've not really explored, so once the floor clears, then maybe I might take a round.
Fantastic.
AC मिल जाता है. No, I want something that is cool, kind of like maybe some headphones.
One AC, please.
Like you need an AC?
We always need AC.
I mean, Kapoor and Sons, great work and all of that. My question to you is, when they show it as a dysfunctional family and all of that. Do you see a lot of that in personal life? In the sense, have you seen families going through such situations like this? Is there something which has a resonance to real life when you act in a film like this?
Firstly, I won't use the word dysfunctional only because I don't want it to sound negative. Yes, there is I feel it is a modern day take on a family. Because we have an idea of a family कि family हमेशा हंस के खाना खाते हैं, हंस के बात करते हैं, हंस के everything. But that's not always the case, especially not at least in my family. So everybody's screaming and talking, we're always fighting. But then we're also, giving each other a lot of love and affection. So it is today's family in a way where you see a lot of love and laughter, but you also see a lot of conflict, which I think is the most important. The most important relationships in your life are with your family. So how can you not have conflict?
Have you ever been in a situation like that? I mean,
dysfunctional family.
That and also two brothers. I mean, I'm just going by the promos, okay? Falling in love with the same girl.
No, I've not had a chance to. I've not had the opportunity to fight with my siblings because both of them are sisters. So it'd be a very weird situation for any of us to be strangling each other. They can strangle me, I can't strangle them back. So yeah, so I'm used to getting strangled, and I'm used to getting things thrown at me. But otherwise, no, I think it's been quite a. We had a little disciplined kind of a upbringing. My father was a very strict person, so but derte the hum, and yeah, I can relate to things in the film, and I think that to some extent everyone is somewhat dysfunctional, but I think dysfunctional should not be taken in a very negative way. It can be taken in a quirky way as well. You know, dysfunctional might produce something that is, I think, something that's productive as well.
Tell me one thing both of you could relate to in the film.
No, also one more thing I want to say that this film is not a love triangle. I mean, there is interaction with both the boys, but they both are very gorgeous, and there is a girl, so there has to be some interaction. But apart from that, I don't think one can really say that the plot of the film is a love triangle. So that I want to just specify. Please, chap do. Not a love triangle. What I could relate to, I think the normalness, yeah. Shakun, the way he writes, कि हम बैठ रहे, बात कर रहे, just like very normal conversation, not like scene starts like this and then ends like this and then ends like this. Like there is just a normal graph, and we're talking about very normal things. There's not like a motivation, some revelation has to happen in each scene. And the way it just played out, we're not constantly sitting, moving around, and just the way he shot, it's a very normal conversational kind of film.
What about you, Fawad?
Relate to, yeah, I can relate to a certain amount of rebellion that actually is in Arjun's character. And as a black sheep in my family, which he is in this family, I was the black sheep in my family, so I can completely relate to that. Every ounce of it, you know, where you have so many complaints and so many regrets. That ye maile nahi kiya, wo nahi kiya, ye nahi kiya. So, yeah, that would be, I think, one of those things. Other than, I don't know, I also have a dog, so they also have a dog. Stuff like that, yeah, I guess.
Any more, and we'll be revealing the plot of the film. So I leave the floor open to questions from the members of the media.
सवाल है कि अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक मैगजीन पे आपके दोस्त सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा के साथ आप नजर आई थी, तो उस पे KRK ने कुछ कमेंट्स किए थे, तो हम आपसे रिएक्शन जानना चाहेंगे, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये मेरा रिएक्शन है.
कुछ तो बोलिए.
मेरा चेहरा बहुत एक्सप्रेसिव है, मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई नो हमारी फिल्म में गाना है बोलना, बट आई डोंट थिंक राइट नाउ आई वांट टू बोलना.
चलिए, अब एक त्यौहार भी आ रहा है, होली का, तो होली किस तरह मनाती हैं आलिया?
होली मुझे होली से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. एज अ किड आई यूज्ड टू प्ले अ लॉट, बट कलर वलर आई फील कि वो स्किन पे एलर्जी होता है, तो आई डोंट सेलिब्रेट होली लाइक दैट. बट यूजली होली के दिन तो छुट्टियाँ होती थी, तो देन दैट यूज टू बी वन मोमेंट वेयर यू कैन डू नथिंग एंड जस्ट हैंग आउट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. तो वो आई थिंक आई चेरिश द मोस्ट. और ऑब्वियसली बहुत समोसे खाने का मन होता है, जलेबी खाने का मन होता है. सो दैट्स द डे, ठंडाई एंड ऑल. बट आई डोंट प्ले होली, बट आई वुड वांट टू से टू एवरीबडी हु वाज प्लेइंग होली, प्लीज बी वेरी सेफ और दूसरों का ख्याल रखना. दूर से बलून फेंकोगे, कभी आँख में लग सकता है, कभी कहाँ लग सकता है. सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल.